Welcome to Glenwood. I'm Miss Allender, and I'm fortunate to be the principal of this wonderful school community. For more than 65 years, Glenwood has served the families of South Windsor. Glenwood is a caring community with a collaborative staff and strong parent support. This unique combination provides an educational experience for students that allows them to succeed academically, socially, and emotionally. Glenwood Public School is committed to building a family community which celebrates diversity through mutual kindness and respect. We inspire balanced, global thinkers with a lifelong passion for learning through inquiry, agency, and real-life connections. The desire to become an IB World School began in the winter of 2018 as a grassroots effort by staff, parents, and students to be able to offer IB's unique philosophy amid our public school curriculum. All stakeholders came together to help the school reach its goal of candidate phase in June 2019.
Hi, welcome to Glenwood Elementary School. My name is Mr. Dinham, and I'm the IB coordinator here at Glenwood. The IB is the International Baccalaureate Primary Years Program, which is a global program promoting inquiry, student action, and student agency. If you'd like to know more information about the IB program, please see our school's website, our school's Twitter account, or please contact me here at the school. I'd be looking forward to seeing your littlest Griffins here in the future.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Kambarakis. I'm one of the kindergarten teachers at Glenwood School. I'm so excited that you'll be joining us in the fall. Our goal is to provide a safe, comfortable, and fun learning environment. One way we do that is in our wonderful outdoor classroom. It is an important part of our day. We encourage our students to explore and take care of the natural space. In our gardens, we plant herbs and vegetables and watch them grow. We also have nesting houses for birds, and the students enjoy looking for bugs and insects. Our goal is to create global citizens. We can't wait to meet you and hope to see you soon.
In the IB PYP, the partnership between teachers and students works to solidify learning and helps to produce further opportunities for exploration.
Hi, I'm Mrs. DeFazio, kindergarten teacher at Glenwood Elementary. Our early years program is an inquiry-based program. We believe it should be child-led, promote independence, social and emotional development, and problem-solving and innovative thinking. We also believe that children learn best when they can creatively express themselves. Each day, your child will also participate in the dramatic arts, visual arts, music, and movement. We are so excited to meet our future Griffins. See you soon.
Glenwood provides a supportive and safe environment that encourages students to take risks, communicate, and reflect on their learning. Our IB programming focuses on inquiry, while learner profile attributes such as caring, knowledgeable, and communicator are taught, practiced, and ingrained into the culture here at Glenwood. Students are encouraged to make personal connections to the curriculum in order to deepen their learning, producing authentic language and communication, and providing natural extensions to their learning. As part of our IB programming, French as a second language is offered in our early years and primary classes. Many of our students usually participate in a variety of clubs and sports offered throughout the year. At Glenwood, a robust music program brings music to your ears and our hallways.
Hi there, my name is Mr. Lawrence, and as you can see, I'm the music teacher here at Glenwood. I feel very fortunate to be able to teach music to the early years program. Music is a great vehicle to be able to explore other aspects of the curriculum. We look at counting and patterning and math. We look at language through singing, and through dance and movement they learn to be creative. And in the classroom we really try and use music to develop that sense of community and really encourage them to become young risk takers at a very early age. As they progress through the music program, they're going to see lots of different things. They're going to see a recorder program where we start to actually read music and play a wind instrument. I have a ukulele program, and we do some strings, and I even have a full concert band for my older grades, and our concert band will perform for the community and the school. So there's lots to do in the music program, and I'm coming to you from my home office right now, but we look forward to being back in the building, and we look forward to seeing you in September.
A quick tour through Glenwood would guarantee you would see activities such as building. Whether it's culture through spirit days, structures through inquiry, or simply a snowman, our students of all ages continue to be engaged in our hands-on, transdisciplinary learning. Being involved in our community through activities such as clothing and food drives, eco-initiatives, as well as recognizing our special qualities as Canadians in a global context, all provide authenticity and purpose for learning for our students as they advance through the grades. Come home to Glenwood and join our Griffin family. Glenwood is going global, and we see the world in your child.